Just making a documentary for later.
Elmer! Yeah, he is on his camera too hot. Not looking over reliable Nathan. Where's the...
Perfect.
Is there a way that we could have like warm colors, like I think what is it?
Okay, you would have like one.
How's it going?
I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm really great at it. This audience needs to see this show. They need this information. They need to be reminded of our history so that we don't repeat it in the future. So this time, and you guys as the storytellers, is what needs to happen today. And it's going to be amazing. I'm super proud of you.
All right. We're just moments before we take on Black Region.